If you're working from home, you need one of these. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, we're all kind of stuck at home right now. COVID-19 is becoming a bit of an irritation. I think we're in like week 4 now of total lockdown, apart from going out, getting your essential food, taking your hour a day exercise, whatever. Other than that, more of us are having to work from home. I mean, I kind of work from home anyway, so no real change for me, although I do travel, but of course not now. So I think with the fact that everybody's working from home, we're using a lot more audio conferencing, we're using a lot more video conferencing, and quite frankly, it's really difficult when you're dealing with everybody working from home and not just one-to-one conversation, but one-to-many conversations. You kind of need to make sure that you've kind of got the right equipment in order to kind of get your job done, get your point across, particularly when you're in these audio conferences or video conferences. So today, guys, I am unboxing this. This is the Jabra M510, and it is an audio video conferencing Bluetooth speaker and microphone setup. Working from home, more and more people are doing it at the moment, kind of forced upon most of us, and for some of us that do it anyway, it's kind of a little bit business as usual. But honestly, if you know anything about video conferencing or audio conferencing, a lot of the time people tend to use an external web camera. Some people use a laptop. If you're using a laptop, you're probably going to be okay. But depending on what the laptop is, of course, if it's a nice slick Windows Surface Book Pro or something like that, then you're going to be good because you're going to get good camera, good audio. If you're using a MacBook Pro, as I do, well, everybody that's used the webcam on the MacBook, any of the MacBooks, know that the camera sucks. I mean, I don't know how Apple can put a great camera in the iPad, the iPhone, whatever. I mean, how many cameras have we got on iPhones now? 3, whatever. But the point being is that they cannot seem to put a decent camera into their computers. So, painful. However, this isn't about that. So if you're using an external webcam, the chances are you're going to use the microphones that are built into that camera. Now, don't get me wrong, I mean, I use a Logitech Brio webcam and the microphones are absolutely brilliant. The trouble is, I play back my audio through my monitor speakers, and the audio in the computer monitor, which is an LG 38-inch widescreen, there's a video of it up here. The speakers are brilliant in there. I mean, like the quality and the sound volume and everything is absolutely brilliant. But the trouble is, unless you're using a video conference piece of software that does echo cancellation, you are going to get echo everywhere because you can't control the microphones in the camera. That's one piece of hardware, versus the speakers in a monitor. That's another piece of hardware. Those two guys aren't really communicating together, so there is no echo cancellation. Google Hangouts, if you've ever used that, there does not appear to be any echo cancellation in that platform. So it's problematic and it's darn right annoying. And if you're doing peer-to-peer, it's bad enough. But one-to-many or a true conference, you're going to have problems, as I have. So, as I said, if you're using a computer and using the microphone in the computer and the speakers in the computer, most modern laptops will do some form of echo cancellation. But if you're not, you're going to get echo. And that's why you need one of these, because this thing manages the echo hardware within the platform. Let's take a look at it. So this is it, guys. This is the Jabra M510 Plus, and I'll tell you why it's the Plus version in just a moment. But let's get this opened. No need for the unboxing knife. In a nice neoprene sleeve, so pretty cool. what we got? We've got the Jabra Speak 510 Quick Start Guide. Pretty thick. I don't know why we need documentation. Got a bunch of warranty, blah, 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 blah. So here it is. Like I said, nice neoprene sleeve, pretty tight fit in there. Free updates for your Speak. Nice. So this thing is firmware updatable, which is pretty cool. Unzip it, and what have we got? Okay, right. Seen something straight away there. So this is it, guys. This is it. So as you can see on here, you've got speaker on the top. You've got a whole series of controls along the edges, or it's not edges because it's a circle, but around the circumference of the circle. And that's microphone off, battery, because this thing has got a rechargeable battery, so you can kind of take this thing out with you, put it back in your neoprene case, pop it in your bag, and you kind of got a conference speaker to take with you anywhere you like. Of course, it's a speaker, so you probably want to be somewhere fairly quiet. But as I was saying, you've got buttons around the circumference of the device. You've got microphone on off, so these are all indicator lights. So microphone on off, battery, because this is battery enabled, so you can kind of take this wherever you want, pop it back in the neoprene sleeve, and put it in your bag and take it to whatever office, wherever you want to go to have a call, even in the car, I guess. So that's pretty cool. You've got plus volume. You've got this button on the side here, which is a smart button. So I think that's for you know, programming up with your smartphone, or voice assist for your mobile phone like Siri or Android or whatever. You've got hang up, answer, power button, minus volume, and Bluetooth indicator. Turning it over, you've got this rubbery base, which oh, I've just turned it on. Oh, okay. Which actually it's kind of like not going anywhere on here. So really strong rubber. So that's pretty cool. Nice thing about this, look, the cord kind of tucks under there, and you can just unwind this cord. So your USB cord is built in, so this thing will actually connect via USB, or you can connect this via Bluetooth. So that's pretty cool. Now, why is this the Plus model? Do you remember I said it was the 510 Plus? Boom, I'll tell you why. Back to said neoprene case. Look, it's one of those little, I don't know if the camera's focusing on that, but it's kind of one of those little dongle things. And this little dongle kind of connects to your computer. Okay, it's USB, fair enough. So it's not going to plug straight into a Mac, but via an adapter, yes. Via a USB hub, yes. I've got USB anyway, so all over the place, so not a problem. But this enables you to smart connect to your computer whilst also maintaining a Bluetooth connection to your mobile phone. So you can leave your phone on charge, on the side of the table, whatever. It rings, because like, let's face it, a lot of people calling you by WhatsApp now and FaceTime and stuff like that. Okay, FaceTime, you might want to see them, but you've got this to use, answer the call, use it as a speakerphone. Happy days. So I kind of feel that at this point we should do a bit of a test. Let's do it. Plug this into USB, and immediately I've got power button and Bluetooth light have illuminated. So
selected from the list. Smartphone connected.
okay, so that's my phone connected. So what I'm going to do is try some music through it. That'll be an interesting test of the actual speaker. So
I think there's a flaw in my code.
So that was pretty loud. I didn't have it set up all the way, but it was pretty loud all the same. So you haven't got like deep bass and stuff like that, but let's face it, this isn't for music. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and set up a video conference call between my computer and my phone. Okay, so I'm connected. Right. Hello? Right. Actually getting a little bit of echo here, but I'm going to go to another room. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. You tell me. Okay, that's pretty loud. And I'm talking to you on the microphone of my iPhone. That's pretty good. I'm going to hang this call up before I come back because of the feedback. So there you have it, guys. A little bit of a rudimentary test, but good all the same. So guys, that was a quick unboxing, first setup, quick look at the Jabra M510 Plus. I haven't actually plugged this in yet because, well, I'm going to try it with or without. I think because it's plugged into the computer USB, that's fine. If I wanted to make it wireless throughout for both the computer and the mobile phone, then by using this, happy days. But of course, then you've got to remember to charge it up and all the rest of it. Whereas I'm quite happy to leave it plugged in USB, just pop it on the desk. I think it's going to be fine. So guys, you know, working from home, you don't have to suffer with poor audio quality, poor speaker, microphone, echo, all of that kind of stuff. This thing is really well worth the money. I'm going to leave a link in the description box to where I got it from and how much it costs, etc. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Guys, great piece of kit. Be productive, stay home, stay safe. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Thanks for watching.